I finally got these babies in the mail, and I'm going to use them in my classic happy planner this week. So when I ordered these sticker books in that large order from the Happy Planner, I got the household sticker book instead. Happy Planner did make a mistake. Listen, companies do make mistakes sometimes, but what I will say about Happy Planner is they have an awesome customer service department. All I did was email them, tell them that I didn't get these 2 sticker books, and they sent them out. So I just got them, and I thought instead of doing a flip through, because let's be honest, I'm kind of tired of the flip throughs right now. I've done a lot of them recently. I thought I'd give you a quick plan with me and use these books in my classic happy planner this week. I am on a time crunch. We are going to Atlantic City this weekend, and I still want to go out and get my pedicure before I leave. I know, that's so... I don't know. I don't know what it is. Listen, I haven't had a pedicure in a year, and I really need one. So, yeah, so I want to do that before we leave. So I'm going to hurry up and just plan for next week because I wanted to show you these books. So you're going to see it while I plan. Okay? Is that all right with you? We are leaving for Atlantic City soon, and I wanted to get this video made, so I'm not going to edit this video. This is going to be an unedited, raw Mary Ellen video. I know. I used to make these. I used to not edit them, but I realized later that the edited versions are much more fun, and they're more to the point and less ums and ahs and silences. And I really like the way they turn out. However, I'm on a time crunch. So we're going to do a quick little plan with me, and I'll just show you how easy it is to use these cute books. Yeah, I may not even name the animals because I might not have time. Because, you know, it takes me a while to think of those names. But this is a really cute book. This is the large size, and I definitely want to use some of these big leopards or cheetahs. I think they're leopards. The struggle I have with that. In this. And this one, I think, is what I want to use because it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Or maybe that one. Or both. I don't know. This is my journal, so I can use a lot of big stickers, right? Yeah, I mean, that is so pretty. So let's put her down, or him. I think this one's a her. I'm going to put her over here and just take up a lot of space. Why not? This is Claire. That's Claire. She's hanging out in the pretty little flowery forest, and she's looking for, I don't know, her boyfriend. She's like, where is he? He's late. And we'll see if maybe we can put him in here. I don't know. Let's put another big one though. I really like that one, but I don't know. Maybe this one. Maybe that's him and he's looking over here and they can't find each other. They can't find each other. It's like, where are you? You're looking in the wrong places. These guys are cool. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe I'll do that. I kind of like the gold. Normally, I would place this one here like this because I don't necessarily like animals or people looking out away from my planner. I like them looking towards my plans. Like I would like that one here and that one over there. But I've already committed. So Claire, this is Lucas. Lucas and Claire. Yeah, they're looking for each other. They can't find each other. They almost look like twins, but they're not the same. Don't get it mixed up. Lucas looking for Claire. Lucas is fancier. He's got some gold foil, you know. But she's prettier, I think, because of all of that behind her. So that feels a little more like Lucas. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, I think those are the only big stickers I'm going to use. Maybe a couple of flowers though. So let's look in this little one. Not a little one, mini one. Anyway, I'll do a quickie flip through. It's so cute. I love the colors. It's obviously jewel tone colors because we've got jewel tone jungle as the name. Stay fierce. I like that. So really pretty. There's gold foil in here, but these illustrations are really cute, and I love the flowers in here. Love it, love it. Okay, these are really pretty. Life is a beautiful journey. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna use this somewhere. I'll combine it with a box, I guess. Let's see. I'm feeling insecure because you're gonna hear all the silences and the mess ups. You know, I'm trusting you to be gentle and nice to me. Yeah, I know you, Ellie. I know. It's just been a while since I've done this because of brain fog. Yeah. But like I said, I want to get this done so I can go get my nails done. I do my own nails at home. Like I know I said I haven't gotten a pedicure in a year. It's not like I don't do anything, but you know, it's never as good as when you go to the salon, in my opinion. Never lose sight of your wild heart. That goes for all of you. This is kind of like that pattern. What do I want to combine this with? Maybe one of these long boxes, because I don't think there's regular boxes in here because of the fact that it's a mini. So it's not like classic size boxes in here. Oh, there's these ones though, kind of like these. All right, that's a lot of gold right there though. Do I want that? Let's look at the other square stickers. Maybe I don't want all that much gold. Kind of like the blue, always believe in your wildest dreams. Let's see. I kind of like this color with it because it's in here and there, but I think that's pretty. I know there's gold on this, but we're going to put this down. And I can do a little journaling in this box. Right, and we're gonna put another box on it, maybe like a long skinny box or something, or a different one. My camera shut off. My camera shut off, you guys. Oh my gosh, it was so entertaining. I was so funny and charming. Everything went my way. I had so many things to say about these two and their lives and their love. And my camera shut off. Listen, I'm going to post this video anyway because look at this spread. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. I don't know exactly where it shut off at, but I'm pretty bummed about it. And on my birthday too. What a bummer. But anyway, moving on. I decided to, again, I don't remember where the video actually stopped. I think when I was starting this maybe. I decided to cluster these up in this corner and leave this part. I added these later, but it looked like that to start. And I thought that was so cute. So different from what I normally do. And I wanted to be different this week. Over here, I thought this was cool too. So first I put down this box, and then I thought, what if I bring in this Stay Fierce from the big sticker book here and put it vertically, like right next to that box. And it looked kind of cool. And I thought, well, I've got this space here. What do I do? Excuse me. And I thought this box is going to fit perfectly. And then we have this little vertical box section, right? Which is kind of cool. Then I added those flowers because I thought maybe it needed something at the top. Then these guys had to come in because there was this weird space over here. Excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Not editing. Anyway, I decided to leave it like this because I'm embracing this white space, and I really, really like how it looks without extra stickers on it. It really emphasizes these two, Claire and Lucas, and their love story, which you didn't hear, and I'm sorry for that. I cannot repeat it. Now it is secret, and it will live in my planner forever and ever. And you'll never know what happened, and I'll probably forget about it, so I won't either. Let's just say they are, they're lovers, but they are just, I don't know. I can't even tell you. I can't repeat it. It was a long story. Anyway, they're okay though. All right, they're all right. What I decided to call this spread is Fierce Dreams. The reason I called it Fierce Dreams is because it made sense, but also because when I fill out this journal next week, I'm going to think about my dreams. And a lot of the spread is going to be me writing in how I want my life to look like. Because there's a lot of things about my life that are making me unhappy right now. And I'm feeling out of sorts. And so sometimes when that happens, it's a little bit helpful for me to, and I know it's best to think about the present, but I like to look into the future and think, what do I want my life to look like in 5 or 10 or 15 years? And, I encourage you to do that once in a while too. Where do you want to live? What does your house look like? Who are you with? What is your job? What does your health, wealth, relationships, what does everything look like in your world at that time? Not what you think is going to happen, what would be your ideal future in that time. And it's fun to sometimes write down exactly what would make you, what you think would make you the happiest. Like, I am living in a beach house in Malibu, with 20 corgis, whatever is your dream. I am living in Japan teaching Japanese children how to speak English. Like, whatever is interesting to you and whatever is your dream that maybe you've never thought about, whatever interests you and whatever dreams you have in your brain that maybe you thought weren't ever going to happen or weren't realistic, I want you to write it all down. I want you to write down, what does your house look like? How many pets do you have? Do you have kids? Do you, all that stuff. You don't have to do this. I'm going to be doing some of that this week. Not the whole spread, just a little bit of, that kind of thing. So then, and it's a little bit like manifesting, but I'm not really one who believes in that necessarily. I do believe that it's good to think about these things. And if it's something you really want, try to take steps to get there, little steps at a time, to make something happen, because we just have one life. We only have one life. And if there's dreams that are in you, or if you're not happy in your situation currently, maybe you are. Maybe you're like, I just want to be like this for the next 10 years. Totally cool. I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you. But if you're in a position where there's some tweaks that need to be made, it's nice sometimes to just write it all down and then kind of put it out there and then think, okay, maybe I can get to that place. But I also want you to think about something. I know I'm getting on my soapbox, and I know I have to get to the pedicure soon. But I think this is important. What I want you to think about too, maybe think about 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago. What were the things that you were hoping for? And then I want you to look at your life now and recognize the things in your life that you have that you wanted so badly at that time, and that you thought, maybe I'll never get this, but now you have it. Okay? So think about those two and maybe journal about those two. And together, that the two of those, the gratitude about what you have that you thought maybe you'd never have. Like for me, one of those things is a creative job where I'm working for myself, and I'm making a good living, working for myself, creating my own hours and doing something art related. That to me, back 20, 30 years ago, I never, ever in a million years would have thought that was possible. And now I have that. And sometimes when you get in the throes of stuff, it's really hard to, when it's stressful, it's hard to recognize that, oh yeah, that was my dream. And now here it is. We're excited when it starts happening and then it kind of gets status quo. So really take moments to appreciate those things you wanted. Like, did you want so badly to fall in love and get married and have kids? And maybe you dreamed it for so long. Maybe you were having bad relationships and finally you found a good one. Like, embrace that, because that is the dream that you now have. So the dreams that are 5-10 years from now, hopefully in 5-10 years, you're going to be like, oh, yeah, I remember when I dreamed that, when I thought that was not even possible. And now look at me. So those are things sometimes I think about when I'm journaling, stuff like that. And I would encourage you to think outside the box with things like that and maybe just write it all out in your journal. Okay, wow, I just talked a lot. I got to get out of here. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.